Beautiful weather and good day to get out there and knock that grass down because, I mean, you might be able to do it tomorrow afternoon, but you're going to be cold trying to do it, and we're going to have active weather overnight. So, yeah, weigh your options, I suppose, because on the other hand, it might be nice to just sit outside and soak this up. Look at Keeneland. Look at the MaxTrack Live. There's nothing on it. Look up north and you'll see what I'm talking about. There is snow extending now from Detroit all the way down to Tulsa. It's not heavy snow. It's wintry mixed precipitation. It's enough to prompt some winter weather advisories out there, mainly for some light accumulation and slick driving across Missouri. It also kicks in up around Indiana and running up through northeastern Ohio through Cleveland. We have a front stalled out that's actually going to bubble back north as a warm front today. There could be a few showers developing along that boundary, but look what happens right here. Here comes that front. And overnight, between, say, about midnight and 5, 6 a.m., we're going to have a round of showers come in, and it's going to be just cold enough down in the mid-30s. We'll see a brief transition over to wintry mixed precipitation, some snowflakes mixing in, wet snowflakes possibly, and even a little slushy accumulation isn't out of the question up along the Ohio River. Grass and elevated surfaces will likely stay in the mid-30s above freezing. The ground temperature still warm, and it's a quick hit. All those are going to be limiting factors as far as anything actually getting down and causing problems. It just shows the cold that is descending, and then we'll have isolated showers hanging around, rain showers more than likely, but that cold descends. And some interesting snow stats. We're not going to see this, especially this. The latest measurable snowfall in Lexington ever, May 20th, had a half a foot. Yeah, that was a huge storm. Latest trace amounts, May 24th. Our average last measurable snowfall, March 22nd. So we're well beyond that date, but, you know, it does happen. And we will have that possibility of at least getting a little bit of a mix going. But the cold is going to be the much bigger story. We're in the low to mid 60s. Look at this. A freeze warning extends from Detroit right down through North Texas. We are under a freeze watch, meaning it's not quite here yet, but it's about to happen. This is for tomorrow night going into Thursday morning because look at the temperatures that tank behind that front. Our low tomorrow morning, mid 30s, but by Thursday morning, Friday morning, upper 20s to low 30s. Have you noticed everything that's blooming out? This could cause some potential damage out there. So this is yet another one of those little winters that I like to talk about. We already had our redbud winter. That was in early April when the redbuds were blooming. This is more than likely dogwood, although we're a little past that mid-April date. Dogwood tree in my front yard is in full bloom, so it's just yet another blast of unseasonably cold air. And of course, the concern here is the potential to damage to flowering plants. If you've got anything started outside for the next few mornings, you're going to be dragging it in or covering it up. Enjoy that. Upper 60s. Could even hit low 70s in our southern counties. Mid 30s, colder, that light rain snow mix overnight. You'll hear it going through, and then it'll be out of here by the time you wake up. More than likely gone, but we could have lingering cloud cover, occasional showers. And of course, that 20-degree or more drop, high to high, between today and tomorrow. That'll be a wake-up call, right? Freeze watch in effect. It'll eventually turn into a freeze warning and then could have some frost advisories for Friday morning. Rain chances Saturday as we start to warm back up again, and then we get back to the good stuff. 60s, 70s, and some sunshine to go with it at the end of the 8-day.